Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur and you are watching our special show ETF Watch Crypto Edition. Are you an Ethereum investor? या क्या आप Ethereum में invest करने का plan कर रहे हैं? If yes, then it might deliver a significant profit क्योंकि Ethereum का price इस year के end तक $10,000 तक जा सकता है as per Standard Chartered, where there are several factors behind the bullish prediction such as recent Trump's victory and the expected ease in crypto regulations. तो वहीं asset manager Bitwise की माने Ethereum $7,000 तक जा सकता है by 2025 end. The reasons include institutional investments, corporate adoption and friendly regulations. And if we look at the longer term price prediction, VanEck analysts का मानना है कि Ethereum साल 2030 तक $22,000 तक जा सकता है. The reasons include institutional adoption and Ethereum scaling updates. तो आज इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे Ethereum की प्राइस प्रेडिक्शन, why institutions are bullish on Ethereum, advantages of investing in Ether ETFs, and important developments in the crypto ETF space. But before we start, do like, share, and subscribe to our video so that you keep receiving timely updates. So Ethereum, the second largest crypto with a market cap of $325 billion and with a current price of $2,700 and a supply of 120 million, has gained mainstream attention. Interestingly, Ethereum spot ETFs, जो कि investors को allow करते हैं to track and gain exposure to Ether, वो भी बिल्कुल minimal risk के साथ ने February 2025 एक strong positive note के साथ शुरू किया. So as they recorded net inflows double the size in the Bitcoin ETF market. जहां स्पॉट बिटकॉइन ETFs में $203 मिलियन का इनफ्लो आया, वहीं स्पॉट इथेरियम ETFs में $420 मिलियन का इनफ्लो आया. Clearly, Ethereum ETFs have outshined Bitcoin ETFs. Well, Ethereum ETFs started trading in July 23, 2024, when SEC approved 9 spot ETH ETFs such as Grayscale Ethereum Trust, Bitwise Ethereum Trust, ETHW, Fidelity Ethereum Fund, FETH, etc. And now, ये जो ETFs हैं, they control 3.17% of the ETH market cap. Interestingly, Ethereum is now all set for its upcoming Pectra upgrade, जो कि scheduled है to go live on Ethereum mainnet on 8th of April. तो ये highly anticipated upgrade will undergo testing on February 24 and March 5. And mainly, the upgrade will improve Ethereum network scalability, security and usability of Ethereum network. तो जहां Bitcoin को as digital gold देखा जाता है, Ether ETFs could experience more demand with increasing innovation. So to understand in detail about the benefits of investing in Ethereum ETFs, let's go to Mr. Srinivas L, the MD and CEO of 9 Point Capital.
There are a lot of positive news coming out. The number one being there's a lot of institutional surge happening. For example, last week there was about around $500 million of inflows happening, outshining even Bitcoin inflows. So that is one of the key indicators that institutions are starting to gather more interest in this asset class. The other thing is positive news is I think it's the Pectra upgrade that's happening in mid-March that would bring in some major upgrades to the infrastructure and also increasing its performance that would evolve into newer opportunities. But currently, if you see the RSI, Ethereum is in an oversold position. The RSI index, almost at about 36% now. If it holds at about 2680, I think there would be an appreciation, including the Pectra upgrade. I think a 10% appreciation is within acceptable limits. So, there is a very good positive outlook for Ethereum right now. Given that 21 shares in CBOE have suggested a very, very innovative approach of integrating staking for Ethereum ETFs, we could see a potential bull run for Ethereum in the coming days and weeks and months also.
And now let's quickly have a look at this week's important developments in the ETF space. Franklin Templeton is seeking regulatory approval to launch a new crypto index ETF. Simultaneously, the Chicago Board Option Exchange is seeking SEC approval to introduce staking for the 21 shares core Ethereum ETF. Well, countries जो हैं वो भी plan कर रही हैं to invest in crypto ETFs, such as Japan's Financial Services Agency is considering lifting the ban on Bitcoin spot ETFs, or South Korea के chairman believes that that South Korea must approve crypto ETFs or risk falling behind. Now, interestingly, banking institutions too are ramping up their exposure to Bitcoin. तो Goldman Sachs ने Q4 2024 में अपनी spot Ether ETF position increase की है by 2,000% to $476 million, जबकि its Bitcoin ETF stashed more than doubled to $1.5 billion. Also, PNC Bank, one of the top 10 US bank by assets, has ramped up its exposure to Bitcoin ETFs. Its holding have soared from $10 million to around $67 million. ये भी सिर्फ एक साल में, and according to recent filings made with the SEC. साथ ही अमेरिका के oldest bank BNY Mellon ने भी holdings reveal की, and the bank holds 39,526 shares of ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF valued at nearly $900,000. So Bank of Montreal has also invested $150 million in Bitcoin ETFs, और National Bank of Canada ने भी $2 million invest किए हैं in Bitcoin ETFs. And most importantly, SEC ने Grayscale की XRP and DOGE ETF filings acknowledge भी की हैं. So that's all in this episode of ETF Watch Crypto Edition. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.